So today I wanted to take a little look and do a quick review of these Fuse lenses that I just purchased. So I'm a big fan of Oakleys, and I've owned Oakleys for many years. This is a pair I actually bought for my girlfriend back in 2012. They're fairly inexpensive. I bought them off kind of a discount store site, so I think they're maybe $40 or $50, but they were the Oakley Disclosures. And so, it's been a number of years. My girlfriend has worn them quite a bit. And so it's probably hard to tell here, but the lenses were pretty well scratched up. She was having trouble seeing through them, and, it was really time for, what I thought was a new pair of sunglasses. So I came upon the company Fuse Lenses and decided to dig a little bit deeper, and I saw that they sold these particular lenses, and in fact they custom cut them for whatever you're ordering. These are really old sunglasses, so to hold these stock wouldn't make sense. So basically what they do is they have a number of name brands, and you can go in and see if they have your style of lenses. And they have just tons of different options. Regular, just standard sunglass colors, all sorts of different tints. Whether they're polarized or not, they have like a Fuse Plus, which has some extra features. They have all these kind of interesting, more reflective or lenses, the mirrored kind of style, I guess, is what you would call them. So I did a little bit of research, and we didn't buy the most expensive ones. These were actually, I think you could get the cheapest set was around $19. So we went a step up of that. I think they were originally $25 because we got a kind of a more unique color. Not polarized. You have to pay a little bit more, but that's not really super important for our use case, so it wasn't a big deal. And so I actually found a discount code and got them for $20 shipped, which I thought was a pretty good deal. And if they didn't work out perfectly, it wasn't a huge loss. So they came extremely fast. I ordered them last week, and they're delivered on a Saturday just via mail. They came in a little padded envelope, and then in this little box here. And then I put the lenses directly over the kind of the Oakley ones, and you could tell like the dimensions were off a little bit. And actually, when you go and order the lenses, it kind of tells you what the width and height was, and I had verified that, so I was pretty confident that these were going to be the right size. And even though they're a little bit off, I was able to get them in, just fine. And the previous lenses were just these kind of standard gray, and since there's a little kind of purplish color here on the side, we decided to kind of get these purple lenses, and it's kind of hard to tell because it's reflecting off of them because of the light, but they look really cool on, and it's just kind of a standard gray lens from whoever's wearing them, that perspective. So yeah, I was really happy. They're actually, I think, a tiny bit thicker than the original Oakley lenses, and we're just we just put them in the other day, so we'll see how they hold up, whether the mirroring or any of that kind of scratches off. But for $20 with a discount code, that's a great deal. Can still kind of, my girlfriend really liked these frames, so, and I own a few other pair of Oakleys, so when those lenses kind of get too scratched up, I definitely am going to consider going with these Fuse lenses. It seems like they do a good job. And yeah, I will do another video update, if I have any other issues, but so far, so good. We'll kind of see how they hold up. So as of now, I would recommend them.